Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna try this soft, fluffy, chocolatey cupcakes with chocolate buttercream frosting. Let's get started. Into some warm water, add some instant coffee powder and keep it aside. Let's mix in all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and some salt. Sift that into a large bowl. And add in some sugar. Here I've used powdered sugar and you don't have to sift it because a little bit of granules perfectly fine. Now into that add the coffee mix, some vegetable oil and 1 egg. Yes, I added that egg, but it got sinked in and it is not visible. Mix it, but I really forgot to add one main ingredient, that is some vinegar. Now mix all the dry and wet ingredients together and make it into a cake batter. Now our batter is ready. Now take a cupcake baking tray and place some cupcake liners. And here I'm using around 1/4 cup of the measuring scoop and take the batter and pour it. And as you can see, it is just filled 3/4. Because while baking, it will rise up and also you will get that perfect dome on top without any major cracks. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Meanwhile, let's make some buttercream frosting. So into a bowl add room temperature butter. Here I've used unsalted butter, but if you have only salted butter at home, use that. And beat it till it becomes slightly fluffy. Now you have to sift in the sugar. You can use either powdered sugar or caster sugar and some cocoa powder into it and sift it nicely. Now mix this using a spatula and then blend it. And after blending, if you feel the mix is a bit dry, you can add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. But if you feel the butter is getting melted, you can keep this in fridge for some time, then take it out and blend that again. Our super creamy butter frosting is ready. Let's check our cupcakes. The cupcakes have baked perfectly. Just transfer that onto a wire rack and allow it to cool down completely. Once the cupcakes have cooled down, do the buttercream frosting on top. After the frosting, just have it and enjoy the super creamy buttercream frosting with the chocolatey cupcakes. So definitely try the simple and amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.